everyone, it's Veronica. Welcome back to my channel. I know, shocker that I'm posting, but I've been really busy because it's actually senior year, so a lot of like recruiting for jobs have been happening, and it is senior year and it's my last year with my friends, so I really want to be able to spend it with them. I actually did film myself moving into my apartment where I am currently in. I'm actually sitting on my living room floor. Don't mind the kitchen, it's kind of messy. Our apartment is a little bit messy, but at least we have this basket of pumpkins and what are these things called? For a little bit of like fall festivities. My roommate is actually in the back doing laundry, so it's okay. She will come and say hi if she wants to later. Her name's Crystal. But enough rambling. Today for my video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the FabFitFun box. This is actually the winter box, and I'm so excited because I've never gotten a FabFitFun package before, but I was actually really considering getting the fall box, but they reached out to me to see if I wanted a box, and I was like, okay, yeah, of course. So they did send this to me for free, but I am super excited to open it because who does not love receiving like a box of goodies? And I think if I do really like it, I will just sign up for the annual subscription because it is $50 and it comes quarterly, so it comes 4 times a year. And $50 every box, but every box has over a $200 value. So it's really, really impressive and it's really good bang for your buck. Let's open it up. It is so cute. I've never received it, but I've watched so many unboxings, so I'm so excited. So let's hop right in. What is on top? Purple. What makes purple unlike other mattresses? Oh, I think this is like a mattress topper sample. This is cool. I actually really like firm beds, so I probably won't be using this, but this is really, really cool. So yeah, there's that. They have, another like FabFitFun coupon code for my next box, which I will probably use if I do like this box. HelloFresh coupon and Sterling Bright Forever. Ooh, I actually have been wanting to purchase a ring, so I will go onto their website. This is like a $30 gift card, so I'm gonna go check that out. And then they have like their magazine, which I'm assuming shows all of the products, their values and things like that. So we will see what the value of this box is. But now, opening it up, I see so many products. Let me just show you guys. Look at the goodies here. It looks so nice. I actually just paused for a thumbnail because I was like, okay, that's perfect thumbnail picture. But I have everything in front, so I'm just gonna start pulling things out. The first thing that I see is this Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. This is great. I am like the worst at cleaning my makeup brushes. I am so lazy and I really should clean them like every week because I do use them a lot, but this is really cool. I'm actually gonna open it up and we can see. It says like no liquid cleaner needed, which is really cool. So, I should just be able to rub my brush along this thing and it should just clean it according to the instructions on the back. This is really cool. This is what it looks like and it's kind of squishy and there's like this sponge texture. And this is actually $16.99. So this is already like a fifth the price of this box, which is amazing. And I'm definitely very excited to try this out. I actually really need to wash my powder brushes, so that's probably what I'm gonna do first. Okay, next thing is this Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Oh, this is really cool. And this has lavender oil in it, which is gonna be perfect for the wintertime because I think lavender is super soothing and it'll be very hydrating for my hands. And let's see how much this costs. Oh my gosh, this costs $40. Like, I would never spend $40 on a body wash or on a hand wash ever just because I'm a college student. But the fact that this comes in this box is insane, so I'm so excited to try it out. Let's smell it. So just like very, very warm and calming, which is like perfect because I love lavender. Okay, next product. I'm so excited. This is already such a good start, so I'm really excited for the other products. There are still so many more to go. We have the makeup eraser. Okay, so I've actually like seen this a little bit. I've never tried it before, but it's just a towel and you should be able to get it wet and then just like rub off your makeup and it should just remove it all, which is insane. And it's so good because instead of using like makeup wipes, this is one like, it's not as wasteful, you know what I'm saying? So I really like this. I put on makeup almost every day. So I think that this will be really, really cool. Oh, it says it's antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, and it saves money because now I won't need to buy makeup wipes. So that's awesome. I might try this out tonight. So I'll let you guys know what I think, if I like it or not. So my apartment, we have like a smelling problem. For some reason, my apartment just does not smell very good. And I'm so excited about this because it's actually a candle. It's Fleur de Sel and it's by Jonathan Adler. I've actually never heard of this brand, but it's massive, which is perfect because I'm telling you, my apartment stinks. Let's see how much this is. $48 for this candle. I am like making money from this box. This is insane. Okay, let's open it up and see. Oh, and it's so beautiful. It's like this white ceramic packaging. I did think that it was gonna be bigger, but oh, it smells very fresh. I think I might save this. It's obviously, okay, it's just a white candle, but I think I might save this for springtime. I really, really like this. But this is like great coffee table decoration to go with our pine cones. Pine cones, I just remembered the name. I forgot about them. But I'm so excited. I think, yeah, my apartment is in dire need of new candles and like room refreshers. Okay, next thing is a Bluetooth shower speaker. This is really cool. I've never had like a waterproof speaker before because I just bring my Bluetooth speaker everywhere I go. So I'm really excited about this because if I could just leave it in my bathroom, that would be amazing. Save me so much time. And this is so pretty. And look at the print. It's like floral print. Oh, there's like the charging cable that it comes with. This is $30. So this is around the same price as like an Amazon Echo, like the Tap. Like, is that what, or not? I have the Tap. It's like the smaller one, but this is also like very similar pricing to like Google Home. So I think this is very, very cool. And obviously you have the buttons. So I'm excited to try this out. I think music when showering is a must. So the next product in this box is actually the Drybar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. And this is great. It's like a heat protectant. And I don't really use, or I used to not really use heat on my hair, but it is straightened. This is like 3rd day hair, so it's not like stick straight, but I do like to use heat protectant. So I'm really, really excited about this. And it smells very, very good. I love when like hair smells good. I really hate when I like go to restaurants or when I'm cooking and my hair just smells like oil. So I like that this does smell very good. So I'm really, really excited about this. I think this might be my favorite product so far because this is something that like I will use every single time I do my hair. Next product, okay, actually that's not my favorite product anymore. I think this is my favorite product. This is the Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer by Rodial. I've never heard of this brand, but I always prime my face before I put on makeup. I've been using the Becca like Luminous primer for like the past few years, but I really, really like this because I'm actually almost out, so I'm excited to try this out very soon. So it's a glow and radiant drop, so it's like an oil dropper. Ooh, so you can see, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit on the back of my hand. Okay, I barely put any on so you guys can like barely see, but okay, I don't think I put enough on, but it smells great. I'm excited to try it out. I'm just like always looking for ways to make my face a little bit more glowy when I put on foundation because I really don't like that like flat matte look. So I love when like products like this bring more dimension and life into my face. So I'm super excited about this. Let's see how much it costs. $55. This is like the entire cost. This is like the cost of the entire box. So everything else in this box is pretty much free if you're just buying this. So I'm really excited about that. Now we're down to our last product. Sorry, I'm like zooming through this. I just like was so excited about this box. So this is the last product. It's by Beauty Bakery. So I've never heard of this brand before. It's called Proof is in the Pudding Eyeshadow Palette. This is so exciting. I like stick to one eyeshadow palette and I only bring that one to school. So I'm excited to like switch things up. So I'm really excited. Let's see what it looks. Oh, this is the packaging, by the way. Super cute. And like, I love how like warm it looks on the outside. Ooh. And oh, these colors are beautiful. So there's like a mix of like matte and shimmery colors. These are all very warmed. I really like butterscotch. Look at this. It's like a nice champagne pink and warm cocoa. I think this is perfect for like fall, winter time because of all of these like warm orangey shades. I really, really like it. So I'm really excited. Hopefully this will make me look a little more tan when I have like these warm colors around my eyes. But let's see how much this costs. $38. That is insane. Okay, so I'm gonna total the amount of all of this and I will just put it right here and, or I'll insert the text somewhere, and I already know this is definitely over like 200, maybe 250. Like this is very, very impressive. My first time getting this FabFitFun box, but I think it is very, very good, like bang for your buck. Like your dollar seriously stretches so far. And if you guys are interested in getting your own box, don't forget to use my promo code. It's my last name, Strunz, S-T-R-U-N-Z, and you'll get $10 off your first box. So it's only $40 for all of these products. So I'm super hyped about this. I cannot wait to try out these products and hopefully I'll get better at filming. Maybe I'll like edit my moving in vlog for senior year and maybe I should like vlog a little bit with my roommates. My roommate's sitting right there, Crystal. That is it for this video. I will keep you guys updated on whether or not I like these products and hopefully I'll start filming more. I really do want to. I just like don't really set aside the time for that, so hopefully I'll get better at that. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.